With the introduction of the ID models and especially the Golf Mark 8, VW and also other brands of the group use touch panels. The idea behind it is simple. You don't need to press a button, you just have to touch an area and the function should start. These touch panels offer a new modern feeling to control functions in a car like on a phone screen, and they should look more elegant with their shiny black surfaces. On the financial side, one touch panel can replace multiple buttons and is a cheaper solution with less parts and they need less space. But when these cars came out, the reality was very different. Customers hated the touch panels. The shiny black surfaces look dirty with fingerprints very quickly. When you want to activate a function, you don't get any response if it worked or not. Because touch panels were too sensitive for some customers, functions didn't activate as quickly as other customers wanted it. And so they pressed harder, which in some cars moved the whole panel, which then feels cheap. On the other hand, customers cannot feel where a button is, so they have to take their eyes off the road to check, and while touching other areas of the touchpad, they are already activating a number of other functions they didn't want. The biggest problem is that there are many functions on the steering wheel and they are all controlled with touch. Customers worldwide complained about it for years, and now it happened what always happens in these cases. VW got sued by US customers because of unintended misuse. So what happened to these customers? While parking the car, they accidentally touched the area of the touch panel on their steering wheel for reactivating cruise control with the last saved speed. So the car suddenly accelerated and hit in one case a garage wall and in another case a tree. Now it became a class action and people claim that VW knew about the problems and didn't react. In fact, VW and the whole industry did react already. Newer models reintroduced physical buttons and it changes the future design of car interiors already. It was a big lesson the car industry learned recently, and a lot of customers are happy that it's coming to an end. How are your experiences with touch panels in cars? Have you ever been in a dangerous situation because of them? Or maybe you even like it? Let me know in the comments below and check out my other videos for more.